Write whether the following statement are true or false. Justify your answer. The statement being, if the quotient of x square and the constant term have the same sign, and if the quotient of x is 0, then the quadratic equation has no real roots. So this statement, if you know that it's false, you can directly give an example and prove it. If it's true, you have to prove it using variables, not numericals. So here, if the middle term is 0, so if b is 0, coefficient of x is 0, and if they have the same sign, no. Okay, let's take an example. Let's consider, I did it in my head. I know that it is not so. If you want, you always can work out, like say, take some example. 4x square, this is my rough work in my head, which I did, is equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x is 0. Is it not? That's your coefficient of x. Why? Because there is no x term. I can always add 0 to this and 0 into x. Right? I can do this. So the coefficient of x is 0. Clearly. Now, if I find d for this, b square, that is a square minus 4 into a into c. Clearly this is less than 0. And we have the answer to be false. That's it. The question is, then the quadratic equation has no real roots. Oh, they gave the right statement. Okay. So let's consider the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Right? Here b is equal to 0. Given. Okay. Therefore, we have ax square plus c will be equal to 0. And a comma c are of same sign. Right? Okay. Therefore, d will be equal to 0, which is b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0 minus 4 into a into c. So this is equal to minus 4ac. Then we'll write a statement that as, not answer, as a and c have same signs. What can we tell? This implies d will be a negative result or value. Will be a negative value. Is it not? Whatever you do, this will be a negative value. This in turn implies, therefore, the roots are not real. Therefore, the roots are not real. And that's what the question is. Hence, statement is true. Statement is true. Again, see to that you underline. Of course, I can color it up. You guys can underline with your pencil or pen, just whatever it is convenient. Look at your time and spend on that. Okay. So I hope you guys understood how to write answers. When it comes to proving something is wrong, like here I thought the statement was opposite. Right? I can just take an example and prove it. But here that statement is given to be correct. It turns out to be true. So whenever it's true, you have to prove it in general. Please understand the difference. Okay? And yeah, now you can pause and have a look.